In Chapter 8 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrator finds himself in a peculiar juncture of his life, marked by crude awakenings and bizarre realizations. The narrative opens with the narrator being sent home from work by his boss, appalled by the sight of dried blood on his pants, signifying the narrator's deep immersion into Fight Club's violent ethos. Philosophically, the narrator muses over his newfound sense of liberation, derived from shedding his material possessions and choosing to live in a derelict part of town, which he regards as an enlightenment of sorts. However, Tyler Durden, his enigmatic friend and mentor, scoffs at this notion, asserting the narrator has not yet reached rock bottom, hinting that true enlightenment requires further descent. Amid these existential contemplations, the narrator notes the peculiar dynamic between Tyler and Marla Singer, reminiscent of the way he mediated between his estranged parents during his childhood. This comparison leads him to momentarily speculate if Tyler and Marla are, in some unfathomable way, the same entity. Marla, in her interactions, reveals a sentimental attachment to objects and beings that are intensely loved and then abruptly abandoned, such as discarded Christmas trees or forsaken animals, further muddying the waters of her enigmatic character. The chapter then transitions to a practical lesson from Tyler on soap making, which serves multiple metaphors and purposes within the narrative. Tyler retrieves bags of frozen fat, and together they begin rendering the fat to produce soap. This process, from its grotesque beginning to its scientific elegance, parallels the transformation Tyler hopes to instigate in the narrator. As they labor, Marla returns, momentarily causing Tyler to disappear, a detail that bolsters the narrator's growing suspicions about Tyler and Marla's peculiar relationship. With Tyler's return after Marla's departure, he enforces a promise from the narrator to never discuss Tyler with Marla, further entangling the trio in a mysterious web of secrets. The soap-making session takes a darker turn when Tyler uses it as an opportunity to impart a painful lesson on the narrator. He kisses the back of the narrator's hand and, in a twisted rite of passage, pours lye on it, causing an excruciating chemical burn. Tyler employs this agonizing moment to underscore the idea of sacrifice and rebirth, insisting on the necessity of enduring pain to achieve true enlightenment. Through this act, Tyler alludes to soap's potential beyond cleansing. Its basic components can be repurposed to construct explosives, hinting at Tyler's grander anarchistic visions. He dramatically claims, with enough soap, you could blow up the world, intertwining the notions of destruction and purification, which encapsulate the thematic essence of Fight Club. Chapter 8 of Fight Club delves deep into the psyche of the narrator, beautifully intertwining his search for identity and meaning with the visceral, raw experiences offered by Tyler and indirectly by Marla. The chapter stands as a crucial pivot in the narrator's journey, marking a departure from mere physical altercations to a more profound exploration of pain, transformation, and the elusive quest for enlightenment within the context of their chaotic, increasingly interconnected lives. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.